Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode for every website you visit in Opera GX using the Dark Reader extension. This is perfect for reducing eye strain and giving your browsing experience a sleek, dark look. Let's get started. Now, let's install Dark Reader. Open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Reader and press Enter. Click on the Dark Reader extension from the search results. On the extension page, click the Add to Opera button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to install it in Opera GX. Once installed, you'll see the Dark Reader icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on it to open the menu and toggle the switch to enable dark mode for all websites. To customize the appearance, click the Dark Reader icon again. Here you can adjust brightness, contrast, and sepia to your preference. If you want to exclude specific websites, and select Site List to manage exceptions. Now let's talk about managing extensions in Opera GX. To enable, disable, or remove an extension, click on the icon Opera in the top right corner and select Settings. Click on the Extensions. This will open the Extensions menu. Here you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. To enable or disable an extension, simply toggle the switch next to the extension name. Disabling an extension will turn it off without removing it. Also, you can enable extension in Allow in Incognito and Search Page Results. To remove an extension, select Remove. Confirm by clicking Remove Again. This will uninstall the extension from your browser. And that's it. Now, Dark Reader will automatically apply dark mode to every website you visit in Opera GX, and you've installed it directly from the Chrome Web Store. You also learned how to enable, disable, or remove extensions in Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.